If you choose to stay where you are, your life will remain the same. But if you decide to try something new, you'll get the opportunity to grow and learn new approaches. I'll show you how using new tools can help you make more informed decisions. Hi, I'm Joe, and I was once in your shoes. 17 years ago, I discovered the world of trading. For years, I've studied and worked in well-known financial corporations, traded actively, and provided expert insights for businesses, media, and TV. It's been a long journey. This tool can speed up your learning process, but trading still requires time and effort. I use my experience to create a bot that helps analyze the market. Now, we can use the power of artificial intelligence to make decisions based on big data. It's my assistant, and it can be just as helpful for beginners as it is for experienced traders. We spent nearly a year developing and testing this AI bot, and today I'll show you how it can be used in real scenarios to improve decision making. Keep watching, and you'll discover what my bot can do, and I'll explain how to get access. Ready to see this tool in action? Let's go. And one more thing, we've just launched our own trading bot, and right now I'm looking for a small team to help test it in real-world conditions. We want to perfect it, so I'm opening up a limited number of spots for new participants. Here's what you'll get if you manage to grab a place. I'll host live sessions, break down the market, explain each decision, and demonstrate how the algorithm works. Members will get to test its effectiveness and use its full benefits. You don't need to be an experienced trader. In fact, this is a perfect chance for beginners to see how the market works from the inside and immediately apply ready-made solutions. Keep in mind, access is free, but the number of spots in the group is limited. We want every member to get the most value, so we can't take in too many people at once. Those who join now will get priority access to new materials and features. Click the link in the pinned comment to claim your spot. Now, let's continue. Let's get ready to analyze the market. I'm about to show you how I use my analytical tool. It allows me to process large volumes of data and focus on making decisions. In my experience, this approach helps make more informed choices by focusing on the key factors and avoiding distractions from less relevant indicators. This tool was built based on knowledge and experience, including my own, and this approach can be helpful both for experienced and beginning traders. This tool analyzes various trading pairs, and based on that analysis, I make decisions. Let's take a look at market dynamics using it and see where we'll end up by the end of the session. Let's begin. Let's look at the current situation on the chart. We can see the price approaching a support level, and there are signs of a rebound. A candlestick pattern is also forming, which often signals potential upward movement. Based on the chart analysis and the current setup, I decide to go up. It's likely that the price will move towards the accumulation zone around 0.9071 and retest it. All right, we've got our first trade in. Let's see how the situation plays out. On to the next pair. Let's analyze the next chart. Here we see a significant level. The price is approaching it and appears ready to test it. Considering there's still some distance to the level, and based on the chart analysis, I decide to go up. The price will likely reach and test the level. I'm opening a buy trade based on the level analysis and the expected price movement. We're continuing towards our goal, and of course, I'm not planning to stop here. What do we see here? The price is moving in an upward trend. There's also a local level that the price has reached. Based on the trend and that local level, I decide to go up. It's likely that the price will bounce off this level and continue moving upwards. We're already seeing some early results, but we're not stopping yet. Let's run through our pairs again and see how the market has shifted. In trading, you've got to take action Every decision is like a key that opens a new door. You can stand in front of closed doors, or you can trust a tool that knows exactly which key fits. That's why I created the AI bot. Inside our community, alongside the bot, you'll also get market analysis without emotional errors, ready-to-use trade ideas that even beginners can understand, a unique tool that helps dozens of traders every day. And yes, access to my AI bot is completely free. Don't miss your key. Click the link in the pinned comment, connect to my AI bot, and start unlocking new opportunities today. Let's continue. Back to the first pair. As expected, the price reached the accumulation zone and tested it. Now we're seeing signs of a rebound from this level. Based on chart analysis using our tool and the current market behavior, I decide to go down. The bounce from the accumulation zone appears strong enough to trigger a further decline. We passed the halfway mark, and so far, the approach I've chosen is proving effective. Our tool continues to provide valuable insights. Let's keep going. Let's look at the next situation on the chart. As expected, the price reached the level and bounced from it, forming a candlestick pattern that signals a potential drop. Right now, the price is trying to break through this level, but based on analysis using my tool, I think a breakout is unlikely due to the strength of the level and lack of pre-breakout activity. So I decide to go down. As you can see, I'm opening a sell trade based on the bounce from the level and analysis of the current setup. We're almost done, but I still have time for a couple more trades. Let's keep going. We're seeing the following behavior. The price makes slight new highs and then moves into a correction. Let me check what our tool is showing. Chart analysis indicates the upward movement is gradually weakening. This could signal an upcoming deeper correction or even a trend reversal. So after the new high, I decide to go down. All right, one more trade and we'll wrap up. Let's see what's happening with the first pair. Jumping back in, I see a downward trend. The price has broken through the support level. Based on analysis using our algorithms, I decide to go down, and as you can see, my expectations were met. As you can see, this analytical tool helps me assess the market situation and identify potential scenarios. Today, it allowed me to make informed decisions based on the data provided by the tool. We're not just showing trades, we're demonstrating how this tool supports my market analysis and uses data processed through AI algorithms. That's it for today's session, but don't rush to turn off the video. I've still got something to share with you. You saw how I work in the market. You saw the trades. You saw the results. Now the question is, will you keep watching or finally take a step towards real change? If you still have doubts, let me remind you, right now, access to my tool is free. You've got nothing to lose and everything to get by exploring what it can do. And don't worry if you have questions, I'm always ready to help you personally with setup and using the bot. Every day, I break down market analysis. You'll see real examples. It's all transparent, no theory, just practice. Think about how many times you've delayed making a change because of fear or doubt. In this club, there are no boring lectures, only real action. You'll see every trade live. All you need is your smartphone and a bit of time. But spots are limited. Once we reach the limit, access will close. Don't miss your chance. Click the link in the pinned comment and join right now. See you in the club. Bye for now.